G'day all, welcome back. So today I'm going to be cooking Japanese curry, or Japanese curry chicken, in my 9-quart cast iron Dutch oven. Basically what I'll do is I'll go through the process as you'll see it, with all the veggies and stuff. It's all standard stuff that I'll be putting in there. I mean, I will obviously highlight this, but well, thanks for coming again, and hopefully you can make this meal and enjoy. So the ingredients you will need are 1 kilo of diced chicken breast, 3 potatoes cubed, 2 green apples diced, 3 carrots diced, 3 cloves of garlic crushed and diced, 3 onions diced, 1 litre of beef stock, about 2 tablespoons of honey, or it's your choice, 1 bottle of red wine, I use the non-alcoholic type, and 1 packet of golden curry sauce mix, which is the Japanese curry golden sauce mix, and I use the mild option. And last but not least, tomato ketchup.
Wow.